Hello guys, this is Gaurav and you're watching Gaurav's Art and Craft World. Well friends, I have kept it for almost 24 hours to let it completely dry, and now I'm coloring the whole canvas with burnt umber acrylic paint. After completing this, let it completely dry before applying metallic colors. Now take a little bit metallic silver by using a sponge and start tapping it. In this way, you just have to tap it to color this painting. After completely drying up, again take a little bit metallic bronze by using the sponge and start tapping it to color this painting. After completely drying up, again you have to let it dry. Now for the last finishing, take metallic gold and highlight some main parts of this painting by using the same tapping technique. So friends, our clay mural painting has completed and this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.